Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install a backup camera in a 2018 Audi A3. We install our OEM fit camera that it goes to trunk handle. This Audi A3 already came with navigation. As you can see, that's the nav. By going to reverse, it shifts to backup camera. It comes with dynamic parking guidelines, and also if the car comes with sensors, it supports the backup sensors too. But going back to drive, it goes back to factory screen again. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294. Thank you and have a great day.